Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Juan of JUANminiDIY. We're going to review this awesome WASD type or mix box fight stick, and this is the signature case, stained Pinewood. It's darker than the standard finish. We use a standard mix box layout, Vuelix layout with Oki buttons, 30mm, and the WASD keys. So as you can see, the WASD keys is flush on the case, because when you buy a mix box conversion kit from Lazada, you will have this additional height like 4mm when you put it in your fight stick. But here in our case, we made it flush. The setup of the WASD is different from the consumer type WASD. You see? And here you can see, well, you have your 4 standard aux buttons, type C, power LED indicator, and at the back, standard wood panel. Okay, the difference with this case with other cases is the palm rest. So as you can see, there's like a slope cut for the palm, so when you rest your palm there, it's very comfortable. Okay, like this. And the buttons here, it's silent, if you know the gamer finger. So this is the same feel with the gamer finger buttons, and also with the WASD switches. So it's very silent compared to Sanwa or other traditional buttons. Okay, so there you go. That's the signature stained brown WASD fight stick. Okay, price is around 10 to 11 Philippine peso or $200. That includes the Oki buttons and this JMD WASD EX conversion kit. Alright, if you want to have a customized controller like this, you can just visit our Facebook page at facebook.com/JUANminiDIY and message us. You can customize the layout, the buttons, motherboard, the case, you know. Everything is customizable. This is our page, and let's make your dream fight stick. Okay? There you go. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like my YouTube channel. Thank you, and God bless. Rock on.